This CompSkill tutorial. In this how-to session we're going to talk about two of Excel's most useful statistical functions, the max and the min. And they do exactly what their name suggests. The max function finds the largest value in a range, while the min function finds the smallest value in a range. They're very easy to use. We just, as with any functional formula, we begin by typing into the cell we want the result in as an equal sign, and then begin typing max. And we can see max on the list here, so we'll just double click to enter that in the cell. And as usual, I'll go up and turn on the function editor. The max has just number arguments, and what this means is we could put in raw values of numbers. So I could work it by simply just typing in, 200, 100, 7, 666, 7, etc. and hit enter. And it would come back with that number. But probably the power of it, rather than that, is that, let's just delete that from in there for the moment. And let's do it again. But the power is to be able to use it with a range of values. So the range of, we only have to worry about number one. And if we click on this arrow in this box, we can take our pointer and we can select the range that we want to enter. So we just want test 1 through test 5 for Fred to start with. So that's row 5, columns C to G. And we just expand that and hit OK. And the answer is 9, and we can see by looking through that that's absolutely correct. So we'll just use our double click on the fill handle to copy it down. Nice and easy. And we'll do exactly the same for the min. So we just type in MIN, and we've got minimum. Again, we'll open the function editor. Same kind of thing, we can type in actual numbers or we can use a range. So I'm going to grab my arrow and I'm going to select my range again, C5 through to G5. Don't want to include my maximum number, I just want the test scores here, and hit OK. And in this case, Fred on test 2 scored a 0, and that goes in as the lowest number. So these are two of the simplest, I think, and most useful statistical functions from Excel. The maximum to find the highest value in a range and the minimum to find the lowest. In further tutorials we'll talk about large and small, which are the same but different, and you'll find out more about that when we do that. We look forward to next time. Thank you.